while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. A wonderful morning to all of you, dear respected teacher Priya ma'am and all dear friends.
Good morning,
Welcome to my presentation. Myself Srishti Meg. I am from class 6. My subject is English and my topic is Aunt Polly and Naughty Tom Tour. Aunt Polly and Naughty Tom Tour. Here is inside the adventure of Tom Sawyer when the Tom stopped being naughty. So let's read a story why Tom was not feeling well and how he is recovered from his illness. Tom was not feeling well. He could not sleep as well as he used to. He could not eat as much as he used to. He did not want to run away from school. Sometimes he did not want to play. He was troubled and sad. There is one boy whose name was Tom and he was not feeling well. He could not sleep as much he used to sleep and he could not eat as much he used to eat. He did not want to bunk the school also because he was very naughty, so he used to bunk the school also. Sometimes he did not want to play with his friends and he was very sad. The boy is ill. Aunt Polly thought, I must give him some medicines. Aunt Polly knew all kinds of medicine and effects. She had many books on this subject. Her aunt, whose name was Aunt Polly, she thought that the boy is ill. I must give him some medicine. So Aunt Polly knew all kinds of medicine and their effects. Which medicine is used for which diseases, she knew well. So she had many books on this subject also. Her newest idea was when a boy got ill, he must bath in cold water every day. So every morning she made Tom stand outside in the yard. There she threw ice cold water over him. After that she wrapped him in a bed sheet and made him lie in the bed. Tom did not get better. He got worse. Aunt Polly tried a new idea. She threw hot water over him instead of cold. So Aunt Polly's newest idea was that when a boy got ill, he must bath in cold water. So every morning, Aunt Polly made Tom to stand in the yard and she threw ice cold water over him. But Tom did not get better. Then she tried one more new idea, and that was she threw hot water instead of cold. But now also Tom did not get better. This time Aunt Polly heard about a new medicine. It was called painkiller. It has taste of fire. Here Aunt Polly heard about the new medicine and that was painkiller and it has taste of fire. She is the Tom and her aunt was sick. Aunt Polly, how she said that Tom was not feeling well. Tom drank 3 spoonfuls after each meal. You can imagine that we even don't like medicine, how the little boy ate that medicine 3 spoonfuls after each meal. Tom hated it. When his aunt was not looking, he quickly poured the medicine to the hole in the floor. Tom was busy doing this one day when the cat came in. Tom poured some of the medicine into his mouth. At once it jumped into the air. As I told, Tom was very naughty. He poured the medicine into the cat's mouth and she was jumping into the air. Because it has taste of fire, it started dancing on its hind leg. It rushed about the room, breaking everything in its path. It ran about as if it were mad. Tom laughed and laughed. It was long time since he had laughed so heartily. When cat drank that medicine, it started jumping and it has started dancing in its hind leg. And it is rushing everything, breaking on its path, things. But it is running that it is mad. And Tom, when they see the condition of the cat, Tom laughed and laughed. He was continuously laughing. When the Aunt Polly heard that noise, she came rushing into the room and she told, what's the matter? See how the Tom is laughing and cat is rushing here and there. Tom could not give any reason for laughing. At last he pointed to the cat and said, look at the cat. When the Aunt Polly asked to Tom, what's the matter, why are you laughing? Tom could not give any reason for laughing. And at last when he controlled his laughing, then he said to Aunt Polly, look at the cat. What's the matter with it? Have you been giving it that medicine? Tom, what's the matter? Why is cat rushing here and there? Have you been giving it that medicine? I don't know, said Tom. Still laughing, Aunt Polly saw the bottle of painkiller, the spoon and saw The Aunt Polly saw the magician that was painkiller, and he saw the spoon and saucer also. She guessed the truth. She know the truth what is happening to the cat and why the Tom is laughing too much. Tom expected his aunt to be angry. To his surprise, she was only thoughtfully to, it is not. To his surprise, she was only thoughtfully. It's not medicine for cats yet. Perhaps it's not good medicine for boys. You need not take any more of it, Tom. She said, Aunt Polly said to Tom, you look at the scientist. If he tried experiment first, he will do in animals first. When it's successful, then he will do in human beings. As here also, the Aunt Polly thought that if it's not good medicine for cats, that perhaps it's not good medicine for boys also. So she told to Tom, you need to not take many of it. This was good news for Tom, who began to feel better. When the Tom heard that Aunt Polly thought that you need not take many of it, so Tom began to feel better. And I hope you understand better about it. Thank you for copying.